how to transfer money from Chase to Bank of America. Once you access the website or the mobile app, you need to add your Bank of America account as an external account. To start, initiate a new transfer by clicking Pay and Transfer in the menu at the top of the screen or by selecting Transfer Money next to your Chase account. This will take you to the Pay and Transfer menu. From here, you can select the source account, your Chase account, and the destination account, your Bank of America account. If you don't see your Bank of America account, add it as an external checking or savings account. On the mobile app, look for the option to add an external account. After selecting the Bank of America account, you'll need to sign in with your account ID and password to verify your identity. Once this is done, your account will be linked. When you return to the Pay and Transfer window, the Bank of America account will appear as a destination. Choose your source account, destination account, delivery method, and enter the amount and transfer date. Once everything is set, you can complete the transfer from Chase to Bank of America or any other linked bank. And if you like this video, give it a like and subscribe.